Donchian channel. The Donchian channel is an indicator used in market trading developed by Richard Donchian. It is formed by taking the highest high and the lowest low of the last 10 periods. The area between the high and the low is the channel for the period chosen. It is commonly available on most trading platforms. On a charting program, a line is marked for the high and low values, visually demonstrating the channel on the market's price, or other values. The Donchian channel is a useful indicator for seeing the volatility of a market price. If a price is stable, the Donchian channel will be relatively narrow. If the price fluctuates a lot, the Donchian channel will be wider. Its primary use, however, is for providing signals for long and short positions. If a security trades above its highest 10 periods high, then a long is established. If it trades below its lowest 10 periods low, then a short is established. Originally, the N periods were based upon daily values. With today's trading platforms, the period may be of the value desired by the investor, i.e., day, hour, minute, ticks, etc.